goes back to the 1961. We have now sold a total of 2 million units in 145 countries.
maximum load weight of about 1 ton and a large side bed. We also lower the bed so that you can load and unload cars to add enough rigidity to the suspension. And we also raise the height of key components to minimize damage, including the engine air intake and front bumper. In addition, the introduction of a full cab layout gives the carrier ample ramp plate over angle and clearance between the underbody and any bumps the driver may encounter with numerous measures to enhance comfort and convenience. We created a special interior with a wider cabin and ample legroom for 3 passengers. Securing greater legroom 50 feet range Also, the carrier has a minimum turning radius of just 4.4 meters, ideal for getting in and out of tight working environments. This is another benefit of the pickup layer.